Tantor Audio, a division of Recorded Books, presents Possession by T.M. Frazier, narrated by Aidan Snow and Stephanie Wiles. Who hears me, who understands me, becomes mine, a possession for all time. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Possession. Noun. The state of having, owning, or controlling something. 1. Grim. The night air is humid and stagnant. Even with no breeze to carry it, my nostrils burn as I breathe in the putrid sulfur scent wafting off the mangroves just beyond the trees. Cloaked in the shadows of the deepest corner of the backyard, I'm waiting and watching for Trix. She'll be walking up the path back from the Marine Stadium any second now. The plan was to leave separately so we aren't spotted together, but I'm rethinking that plan more and more, and the seconds continue to tick. I light a cigarette. I've never been a patient man.
Bedlam fugitive at 6 o'clock. I think I got a shot in. What's the call? Permission to pursue,
Agent Lemming says casually.
Retrieve the fugitive, dead or alive.
This concludes Possession by T.M. Frazier, narrated by Aidan Snow and Stephanie Wiles. Copyright 2018 by T.M. Frazier. This unabridged audiobook is published by arrangement with T.M. Frazier, care of Brower Literary and Management, and was produced in the year 2019 by Tantor Media Incorporated, a division of Recorded Books, which holds the copyright thereto. Please visit tantor.com for more information on our growing library of unabridged audiobooks.